Did you know that nature has created a material 5 times stronger than steel of the same weight? Spider silk is truly one of the most mysterious and toughest substances found on our planet. Imagine this: if we could spin a spider's thread as thick as a simple pencil, it would be strong enough to stop a giant Boeing 747 in full flight. This biological masterpiece is incredibly elastic, allowing it to stretch and absorb massive energy without snapping. Today, scientists are working tirelessly to replicate this amazing structure to create the next generation of bulletproof vests and medical wonders. We walk past these incredible engineering feats every single day in our own gardens. Subhan Allah, the creator of all wonders, who placed such power in his smallest creations. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and post a comment below.